Hello, welcome to the Simple Spoken English with Noel channel. In today's episode, we will learn how to call a hotel and make a reservation in English. This lesson will teach you useful phrases and vocabulary for booking a hotel, how to ask and answer questions during a phone conversation, words and phrases for dates, room types, and special requests. I hope you enjoy the story and that it helps you improve your English. Now let's move on to the story. Liam was planning a weekend getaway to the city. He was excited but nervous because he needed to make a hotel reservation over the phone. Liam had been learning English for a while, but he didn't have much practice with speaking. Sitting at his desk, Liam picked up his notebook. On the first page, he had written some useful phrases for making a hotel reservation. Hello, I would like to make a reservation, please. What types of rooms do you have available? How much is the room per night? Do you offer breakfast? Can I cancel or change my booking later? Okay, Liam said to himself. I can do this. He took a deep breath, picked up his phone, and dialed the number of the hotel he had found online.
Good afternoon, City View Hotel. How may I assist you?
Hello, my name is Liam. I would like to make a reservation, please.
Of course, Mr. Liam. When would you like to check in?
I want to check in on Friday and check out on Sunday.
Let me check the availability. One moment, please.
Liam waited, holding his breath. After a few seconds, the receptionist returned.
We have rooms available for those dates. Would you like a single room or a double room?
What is the difference?
A single room has one bed for one person. A double room has a larger bed or two beds for two people.
I'll take a double room, please.
The double room is $100 per night. Does that work for you?
Yes, that's fine. Does the price include breakfast?
Yes, it includes a buffet breakfast.
That's great. Do you have free Wi-Fi?
Yes, we have free Wi-Fi in all rooms and public areas.
Liam felt more confident. He decided to ask about parking. Is parking available at the hotel?
Yes, we have free parking for our guests. May I have your full name and phone number for the booking?
My name is Liam Parker and my phone number is 555-123-4567.
Thank you. How would you like to pay? You can pay now or at check-in.
I will pay at check-in.
Do you have any special requests?
Yes. I would like a room with a view of the city, if possible.
I'll make a note of that. We'll do our best to give you a room with a nice view. Your reservation is complete. You will check in on Friday and check out on Sunday. You have booked a double room for $100 per night, including breakfast. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct. Thank you.
You're welcome. We look forward to seeing you on Friday, Mr. Parker. Have a great day.
Liam hung up the phone with a big smile. He had done it. Making the reservation in English had been easier than he thought. Let's practice the phrases and words we learned today. How do you ask about room availability? Do you have rooms available for these dates? How do you ask about the price of the room? How much is the room per night? How do you confirm the booking? Yes, that's correct. Thank you. Questions for you. What type of room would you book, single or double? What special requests would you make for your hotel room? Have you ever made a hotel reservation in English? Write your answers in the comments below. Thank you for watching Simple Spoken English with Noel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more fun and easy English lessons. See you in the next episode.